Hi, I'm Joe with Gramophone, and because we do so much custom audio work, we love products like this new one from AudioQuest, and we're lucky enough to have Angelo from AudioQuest here to talk with us today. Angelo, good to see you, man.
It's great seeing you, Joe. How are you?
Good. Now, this is the PowerQuest TV3.
Correct.
So that leads me to believe that there's some easy things you can do with it if you're doing a TV install.
100%. So our PowerQuest TV3 is perfect for a behind-the-television solution in a back box where you can hide it from view. It is unique in the sense that it's a non-sacrificial unit, meaning you never need to worry about replacing this ever. You buy it one time. It has 3 outlets. One of the 3 is a high current outlet for your amplifier or maybe for your soundbar or even a subwoofer, Joe, if somebody wants to get back there and plug in a subwoofer. And it is an ideal solution that retails at $249 for the client that, again, is looking to just have something concealed and wants to protect their gear and also drive some performance by minimizing some noise and distortion.
Angelo, you've put it here in a back box to show how easily we can conceal it in the install.
100%, yes, and it fits right in your standard back box. Also, if a client is dealing with a slightly larger back box, you'll be able to get other equipment in there too. And it ships with an amazing 36-inch AudioQuest power cable that, again, is there to drive the performance. All about giving the client that experience, that full experience.
Angelo, I love it, and a lot of times on our TV up on the wall installs, we don't really have a traditional rack necessarily.
Correct.
So this is a great problem solver for us because it's non-sacrificial, so it's not going to blow up if we get a big lightning strike, but your TV's going to be protected. So
on the money, and hey, by the way, not just for behind the TV, you could put it behind a desk, you could put it behind a TV stand. It's very versatile for the person that's only looking for 3 outlets.
Computer monitor.
Computer monitor,
perfect.
1000%, totally.
It's perfect. So now here you've got a different solution you can show us.
We absolutely do. So for the client that might need more than 3 outlets, our PowerQuest 303, 505, and 707 offer 12 outlets along with additional filtering, so we do that at higher levels. We also have designed this product so that it fits into a integrated rack for the client that wants to get it into a rack, but also for the client that wants to sit it on a shelf underneath their television. So it is another awesome solution. 4 high current outlets on all 3 units, so you're able to support the current that's needed for amplifiers and for your subwoofers. And it sticks to the same story as our PowerQuest TV3, driving performance with the filtering and giving our clients back that full experience.
What we love actually, Angelo, about the PowerQuest products is that we love your higher end, higher performance products, but PowerQuest is at a price point where we can put them into a lot more systems than we can do with your higher performance products. So,
100%.
Yeah, love the fact you've now got this addition to it so we can do TVs easily. But of course, you guys are even better known for your cables, your interconnects, speaker wire.
You're totally right. We're also known for our cables, and we have new speaker cables that are launching, one of which is already launched in our Braveheart cable. We also have Lone Ranger, and these are incredible from the standpoint that now we're shielding the conductors using better materials. We're using what's called our Zero Tech, which is a no characteristic impedance technology, and I'm just excited for everybody here to listen to these. You can absolutely walk into Gramophone and listen to them as early as I think now, right? I think Braveheart's on display right now. And Lone Ranger should follow in about a week or so.
So Angelo, one cool thing about Braveheart is we were recently part of the big introduction that Bowers & Wilkins and Marantz did on a super special project with the Bowers & Wilkins 801D4 Abbey Road edition. We were the worldwide first people to show that off, and Bowers & Marantz partnered with AudioQuest and used Braveheart in that installation. So we had a room full of people listening to this awesome new speaker using this cable, which is a nice tribute to what you guys have done.
100%. I heard it was impressive. I heard those 801s are impressive, and just amazing stuff all around.
Now tell us a little bit more about this guy and what the differences are between Braveheart and this one.
Absolutely. So our Lone Ranger cable does really unique things with shielding. We're using carbon-based material and graphene to shield conductors, along with the Zero Tech I mentioned. Braveheart kind of takes that to the next level, and we're also going to a 12-gauge cable versus this is a 14-gauge cable. So as we're making that metal bigger, we're again driving more of that performance.
Okay.
Yep.
And what we always say to people who aren't sure, well, yeah, but does this sort of thing really make a difference? The simple answer is sit down and do an audition, because if you listen to a cable like this one versus a more standard cable and you don't hear the upgrade with your speakers, fair enough. But so many people do that audition and then say, wow.
Absolutely.
I didn't realize how much of a difference it could make.
Absolutely.
We want to thank you, Angelo.
Thank you, sir. It's good to
You're
see you as
welcome.
always.
To learn more about AudioQuest and all of our great brands, go to gramophone.com. We want to thank you for watching this video. If you haven't as yet, please like and subscribe and click that little bell icon. Helps us out a lot. And thanks again for watching our video on AudioQuest and what they've got new for 2025.